Hello guys, you are watching M.Shakeel Sahir educational channel. Welcome to my channel. If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe our channel for more educational related videos. Dear students, today our topic is relation between velocity, frequency and wavelength. Let's start now. Wave is a disturbance in a medium which travels from one place to another and hence has a specific velocity of traveling. This is called the velocity of wave, which is defined by velocity is equal to the distance over time. In mathematical form we can write as v is equal to the d over t. If time taken by the wave in moving from one point to another is equal to its time period t, then the distance covered by the wave will be equal to one wavelength, hence we can write v is equal to the lambda over t. But time period is the reciprocal of frequency, so t is equal to the 1 over f. Therefore, we can say that v is equal to the f lambda.